As I promised, here is the video on fitted Enduristan saddlebags on Husqvarna 701. First things first, immediately to the subject, is that the strap system that is made here is made by the person who particularly hates simplicity. So as you can see, here is the bloody sandwich made, and you need to kind of take the whole thing apart and adjust and then put it back together. It is time consuming and laborious and not intuitive thing, right? I cannot even pronounce it, and it's really frustrating. So the same person invented the brilliant strap system that goes around the back, which is like two hooks that are looped through, and then you need to tighten them, but they're working a bit better than this kind of pretty horrid system right here. And I know that the Husqvarna, they have their original bags that have a different tightening system that doesn't go above the seat but tightens under the seat. But I think if I would see those as of today, I would choose those because this is too laborious. So another thing is on down here, it tightens pretty well, so the rest is no issues. Build quality of the bags is good. This is size small. I didn't want it the bigger ones because I don't carry much shit around, so I'm not planning to. And the second thing is, even though you can see here is the heat shield, I would prefer that the bags are located a little bit more to the front than to the rear. And when they're a little bit more to the front, it means when the bag is gonna be full, you are practically be sitting on the front sides of the bag. Alternatively, you can sort of push it backwards. As you can see, here is the optional bottle holder that I bought. I bought two of them on both sides for the fuel bottles, and I don't think it would be a good idea that they would be, let's say, too close to exhaust even with the heat shield. So yes, would I recommend this purchase, and why I bought it myself? I bought it to have a more or less universal thing, because my other bike is Kawasaki Z900, and there without any serious alterations, these bikes can be adjusted. I just bought a second pillion seat that I can swap with a key in seconds, and on that seat I attached the giant loop small rack so that I can tighten these bags better. So it fits perfectly both, not perfectly, but it fits 701 and it fits also Z900 in this small size. So the rest of my stuff I will carry in a backpack. So the price for these things are quite, I would say, reasonable. But be sure you look at alternatives, especially for 701. I think if you take the Husqvarna original kind of off-road saddlebags, that might be better fit. So that's all for today. Thank you.